In this video, I'll show you how to create AI workflows in Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. AI workflows help you automate repetitive tasks, organize your prompts, and build smarter applications with Google's Gemini models. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. From the dashboard, create a new project or open an existing one where you want to build your workflow. Before writing any prompts, decide what you want your workflow to accomplish. For example, you might want to summarize documents, generate blog posts, analyze customer feedback, create coding assistance, or automate support replies. Having a clear goal makes your workflow more effective. Next, break your task into smaller steps. Instead of asking the AI to do everything at once, create a sequence of prompts. One prompt can collect information, the next can analyze it, another can generate content, and the final step can review or improve the output. If you're building an application, connect Google AI Studio through the API using Python or JavaScript. This allows your workflow to automatically send prompts, receive responses, and process the results without manual effort. Test your workflow several times using different inputs to make sure it produces reliable results. If you notice inconsistent responses, improve your prompts, add more context, or adjust the workflow until it performs consistently. As your projects become more advanced, you can combine AI workflows with databases, websites, automation tools, or business applications to create powerful end-to-end solutions that save time and increase productivity. And that's how to create AI workflows in Google AI Studio in 2026.